So basically, if you just saw how it's rotating around the earth, that's how the sun and the moon rotate 3,000 miles high around the surface of the earth, the flat surface of the earth. The earth does not move. All right, you can tell the earth does not move. Basically, when the earth quakes, you have earthquakes. That is the form of the earth moving. The earth does not spin. If you were spinning, you will feel it. The winds wouldn't be in every direction. The wind itself generally will be in the direction of the earth's spin. Wind shouldn't be north, south, east, and west. There shouldn't be a breeze. There shouldn't be a hurricane. Everything should be forming according to the earth's spin in the vacuum of space. The vacuum of space is a lie. So when you think about these things, you know that the earth is not moving. So when you stand on the flat earth and you see the sun and the moon rotate, the way I was running exactly how the sun moves around the earth. When the sun is on this side, you will not see it over here. It's day and night. That's what it's called. There's no such thing as space. If you don't know, the fact is that the earth does not move. It's stable. It's held on its foundation, so says the Lord. But you believe in what NASA says. So NASA is telling you that the globe is spinning at 1,000 miles per hour. I said this calculation before, but I'm going to do it right here on this surface instead of on the globe. All right, so right now we're in North America and here in California, and traveling east, you'll be in DC. All right, so on a plane, not accounting day and night, on a plane, the time is 5 hours and 10 minutes. It's 5 hours and 10 minutes from California to DC. On a plane that's traveling, a commercial airline that's traveling 500 to 600 miles per hour. So if you take a plane there, that's the time. All right, so let's do it the opposite direction. Now, it shouldn't be the same time. Remember, the globe is spinning at 1,000 miles per hour at the equator. So here's the equator. The globe is spinning at 1,000 miles per hour here at the equator. So my flight from DC to California should not be the same time, which is 5 hours and 10 minutes, going the opposite direction according to the globe Earth. The globe is spinning from west to east, or from east to west at 1,000 miles per hour. So if my plane is traveling this way, it should not be the same time, obviously. So let's just say the earth is spinning this way at 1,000 miles per hour, which is to the west. And I'm traveling from DC to California, which is west, with the spin of the earth. Remember, the earth is spinning faster than my plane is flying. So while the earth is spinning and my plane is flying gradually slower than the earth is spinning, I will never reach my destination. It should not be the same time. I mean, it's so simple. The geocentric earth. So, I mean, just more stuff. Let's just talk about this. Now, if I stand in Europe and I travel north, straight past the North Pole, the magnetic north, because, you know what I'm saying, the pole is there, but you're not allowed to go there, of course, because of the military. Same things happen down there at the Antarctica. You're not able to go past these points. Not because of inclement weather, not because you don't have enough money, not because it's wild beast or some imaginary magical thing. It's just because they will not let you go there. It's scientific research only. I mean, since the treaty, the Antarctic Treaty, please do your research on the Antarctic Treaty. You see the North Star, you're seeing it from here. This is where the North Star is, all around the earth. So once again, if I'm standing in like Brazil and I'm looking here north, I will see the star that's here. The star is about here from the earth. The stars are 3,000 to 4,000 miles high in the earth. The stars are not millions and billions of miles away. Listen, radio waves cannot travel that far. There's no way to communicate with anything that NASA says they're communicating with. Here we taught about matter, liquid, and gases as the forms of the elements. I'm saying the forms of matter, but plasma is another form of it. You're not taught that. But if you know about it, you know that waves can't travel through it. You know what I'm saying? You know for a fact.